Today I'm going to show you how to create a Netlify account with GitHub. This is a convenient way to connect your GitHub repositories to Netlify and deploy your web projects more easily. First, open your web browser and go to netlify.com. Once the page loads, click Sign Up in the upper right corner. On the Sign Up page, you'll see several options. Select Sign Up with GitHub. You'll now be redirected to GitHub. If you're not already signed in, enter your GitHub credentials and log in. Next, GitHub will ask you to authorize Netlify. Review the permissions and click Authorize Netlify to connect your accounts. After authorization, you'll be redirected back to Netlify. Now, choose Personal if you're creating the account for yourself. Netlify may then ask for some additional information. Enter the required details and continue. Next, enter a name for your team or workspace. You can use your name, project name, or brand name. Finally, click Continue to complete the setup. You'll now be taken to your Netlify dashboard, where you can start connecting your GitHub repositories and deploying your projects. That's how to create a Netlify account with GitHub. Thanks for watching.